Hey everyone, this is a quick demo on how to add shipping to your products on your shop. So what I've done is I've logged into my shop manager desktop over here. So I've got my dashboard up. Under my store, you see your main menu underneath here. We're going to go into settings. So the idea here is we're going to set up a default shipping setting. So with this being said, this will be the standard shipping cost for all of your items, which allows you to not have to add anything under the shipping section in each of the products if it's going to be the standard rate or default rate, and also show you how you can add a little additional cost to there if the item's bigger or whatever it might be. So let's go ahead and we're going to go into shipping over here. Now, you notice we've enabled shipping by clicking on this box here. Processing time, 1 to 2 business days. You can actually change that for a couple different settings here. So generally, it'll take 1 to 2 business days for me to ship out this item. Shipping type, I have it set by country. This is probably the easiest way to go ahead about doing it. Right here is going to be the default shipping price. So we've got $19.95 as the default shipping price. You can do per product additional price. So if they buy more than one item in your shop, you can add an additional price, and also a per quantity additional price. So say you've got 15 of a specific item and they want to buy more than one, you can add an additional cost for shipping if need be. The free shipping minimum order amount, pretty self-explanatory. If you have a dollar amount that if they reach or exceed, just type that in here. So let's say it's $100 or more, you'd put $100. If not, this is set up for no free shipping if you keep it blank. You can also enable local pickup and then also charge for local pickup if that's necessary. And over here I've it set for the United States. So down here below, you can actually set it up for other countries and be a little more specific as far as cost goes. So that's a nice little addition here if you need to have the ability to send it to ship to other countries. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And once we've saved this, you'll notice that I'll show you a couple of the products that I already set up so you can have an idea of how it all works. So for one of the products here, I've got it set up. This one right here. This one should be set up by the default, which is going to be the $19.95 that we set up. So if I scroll to the bottom over here where the shipping is, nothing has been changed. It's all zeroed out and it's all, it's blank. So I'm going to go ahead, just make sure I submit it. So that's one of the items that's going to be set up for default shipping. And then let's go and check out another product that we're going to add a little more to the cost because, say, it's a bigger item. So let's go into bag expensive. This product is going to have an additional shipping cost. So if there's an additional shipping cost, you're going to go into shipping. You're going to hit override shipping. Okay, and then the additional price that I'm adding is $7.95. So the shipping cost will be the $19.95 plus the $7.95. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. Now let's go ahead and view our items here individually so you can kind of see how the shipping is put together. So I'm going to go into here. Let's go into the first one, the LV bag. I'm going to add that to cart. So let's view the cart. So this should be set at $19.95 for the standard shipping. If you scroll down here, you see your shipping cost is set to $19.95. All right. And that's for the US. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. Let's go back in and take a look at the item that we put a little extra on for the shipping cost and make sure that shows up correctly. So I'm going to go into bag expensive, add that to cart. Now we have it in our shopping cart, and you scroll down. Now our shipping cost is $27.90. So that added the $7.95 on top of the standard $19.95 shipping. So that's pretty much how the shipping works. Now I know some of you guys may use your actual pricing to add or include the shipping cost, which is fine. Then you would just set your default shipping to 0. So it's basically free shipping, and then you won't have to really worry about it. So there it is.